Welcome back friend, you are watching Dharas Infotech. In this video, I am going to show you how to use logical operators in Python. Now let's start with the code. Suppose here I am having the if statement. Now I am just printing 1 is less than or equal to 2. 1 is less than or equal to 2. Logically, this condition is true. If the condition is true, then it will print the string that is true. If the condition is false, then we use another one statement, and instead of that statement we're passing the string condition is false. Okay, so let's check it. Suppose I'm here entering uh, after that compilation or running this output, 1 is less than or equal to 2. This condition is true, so that's why the output is what? True. Suppose I'm here using uh, 1 is less than 2, so again here condition is true. If I'm writing 1 is greater than 2, then the output is what? False. Okay, it's just very simple to use less than operator alone or with the equal symbol. So now here again I want to check another one operator like a equal to operator. If I'm writing here 1 is equal to 2, so here the condition is false. So let's see here, output is false. If I'm writing 2 equals to 2, now the condition is what? True. Suppose I'm writing here 1 is not equal to 2, here the condition is true. If we're trying to write 2 is not equal to true, 1 is not equal to 2, logically this condition is false because of 2 is equals to 2, but here we are using not equal to operator, so this condition is false. Okay, here we have one more comparative operator, that is, suppose I am writing here a is greater than or equal to. We know very well less than or equal to. Now here we are using greater than or equal to. 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, its condition is true. If we are writing here 1 is greater than or equal to 2, so this condition is false. See here, the output is false. In this way, we can easily use the comparative operators in Python. Thank you for watching. Dharas Infotech. Before going this page, please press the bell icon